What's the meaning of bereavement? Bereavement. Bereavement.
Bereavement. Bereavement. Bereavement refers to the state of experiencing the loss of a loved one, either by death or separation. It is the feeling of grief and sorrow that accompanies this profound change in one's life. Bereavement can be a complex and intense emotion, often manifested through feelings of sadness, loneliness, anger, guilt, and confusion. The experience of bereavement is unique for each individual, and can vary depending on factors such as age, culture, and the nature of the relationship with the deceased. It is a natural and necessary process of mourning, and one that requires time, patience, and support to navigate.